Hi guys. So more eighth note reinforcement with these songs. They're just a little bit trickier for this video. And it's a timing thing. There's more rests, so you're gonna have to really count and apply these eighth notes. So your songs for today are Reveille, I'm Going to Leave Old Texas, and Inner Circle. They're kind of fun tunes, I like these. So Reveille, you'll recognize it as the US Army bugle call. So now they're asking you to put your left hand thumb on G, okay, and right hand thumb on C. So it's gonna be here and here. So 1, 2, 3, G, C, 2 and 3, 4, 1, 2 and 3, 4, 1, 2 and 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2 and 3, 4, 1, 2 and 3, 4, 1, 2 and 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. E, 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 G for 2. E, C, E, C, E, C, E, 2. C, E, 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 G for 2. E, C, E, C, G, G, C, 2, 3. G, C, E, C, G, E, C, E, C, G, E, C, E, C, G, C, E for 2. C, G, C, E, C, G, E, C, E, C, G, E, C, E, C, G, C, 2, 3. So very repetitive once you get that pattern down. That one's not too tricky. I'm Going to Leave Old Texas. Be careful with this one because you start with a rest, okay? So make sure you say rest at every point where you've got that squiggly quartered rest, okay? So when you start this one, I want you to go rest, G, C, E, G, 2, 3, 4. See how that works? So say the rest so that you have 4 beats in each measure. Now, for the fingering for this one, I'd like you to put your second finger on E because you've got that A again. So your pinky's gonna need to come up there, okay? So here's this song. Rest, G, C, E, G, 2, 3, 4, rest. A, G, E, C, E, 2, 3, 4, rest. G, C, E, D, 2, 3, 4, rest. E, D, C, E, C, 2, 3, 4, rest. G, C, E, G, 2, 3, 4, rest. A, G, E, C, E, 2, 3, 4, rest. G, G, C, E, D, 2, 3, 4, rest. E, D, C, E, C, 2, 3, 4, and I'm not going to repeat. If you look at measure 13, there's like a big note and then a tiny note. Don't let that freak you out. It's to match the lyrics. So the first set of words, it says and the, so then you would play that rhythm, the 8th note rhythm. And then the second verse, it's and, so you would just play it as a quarter note. So that's why they wrote it that way, to match the lyrics. Okay, so if you want to get a little extra practice with the 8th notes, just play both of them as 8th notes if you want. Okay, Inner Circle is another fun one with 8th notes. Now, there's a thing called a swing beat. So a swing beat is a feel, and they don't write it actually in the music. And it's in a lot of blues and jazz and different things, different genres like that. That means every time you get to 8th notes, a set of 8th notes or a pair of 8th notes, you hold the first one slightly longer. So it's long, short, long, short, long, short. So let me demonstrate what swing beat means, or rock beat. So you're gonna go C2, long, short, C2, C2. See how it kind of sounds jazzy? Now if I played it straight, like we've learned how to count 8th notes, it would sound like this. 1, 2. 3 and 4 and 1, 2. It loses that swing. So let's try to play this one all the way through. with the swing beat. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4. F2, 3, and 4, and F2, F2, C2. Pinky on G. That one. And if we had real life class, I'd play the duet part with you, and it's really fun. One other little thing that I forgot to tell you about, if you look at measure 10, 11, 12, there's this weird symbol that looks like a ball with a 7, like a little 7 ball. So that is an 8th note rest, okay? So it's a half of a beat. So it looks like this. So that's a rest, and it's the same thing as an 8th note. So it's a half of a beat. So it's a fast rest, okay? So in this case, in measure 12, you would play it for nothing for beat 1, and the 8th note that comes in there is on the and. So it'd be 1 and 2 and 3, 4. So listen again, it'd be 1 and 2 and 3, 4. Okay, so 8th note rest, swing beat, where it's a feel, you hold the first out of each pair of 8th notes just slightly longer, you drag it, okay? And then just reinforce your 8th notes. Make sure they're exactly twice as fast and you're not doing some random just fast notes, okay? So that's it for today. All right, bye.